Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see a seized compressor. This compressor is not rotating at all, so we are going to investigate. We are going to disassemble and see the cause of the problem. The owner told us that it had overheating problems previously, and now it is totally stopped. Let's see what is on the inside, what is causing the problem. Well, there are some slight oil leakage signs. See the fittings and the pipe connections to have some oil on them. We have also noticed that the air cleaner filtering elements, they are missing. Only the cover is here. They have replaced only the cover. The inside filtering elements are all damaged, and therefore they removed it. So this compressor was running without filtered air. That could be one cause. See where the air filter was supposed to be installed. They did put some Teflon on it. Well, okay, some dirty valves and cylinder head. Lots of unclean things. Well, piston is totally stuck. It's not moving at all. Let's see the other cylinder. Well, this seems very nice, very clean compared to the other one. No film of oil present, and cylinder head is in good shape. Let's see the piston. Clean piston. The valves are also good. Flaps, they are nice. Let's go for the third one. Wow, this is really not good. Very dirty. It seems that there is some combination of oil and moisture has caused this problem. Totally not good. Corrosion and lots of damage. Still the crankshaft is not rotating, so let's see what's down there. Let's see the condition of the piston ring and the piston. by removing the cylinders. We're going to take out the liners. What? Lots of scratch, lots of damage on the piston. Seems like some foreign material. No, it's actually the piston itself that got exploded. Wow, this is the middle piston. Piston rings are seized in their groove. Some scratch on the liner. Lots of damage on the piston skirt. This is not good. See the piston rings? They have like stuck in their grooves. Well, the piston pin is nice, but there is absolutely no movement of piston rings. You see, the piston ring has been stuck in their grooves. What? This is not good. So there are signs of overheating, there are signs of lack of lubrication, and there is also sign of dirt accumulation inside the entire system. So the piston rings and the piston grooves are held in there with some gummy thing. That probably is a mixture of dirt and oil together with extreme heat that have prevented the piston rings from moving, and that might have caused the seizure. And the lower part of the piston skirt is totally damaged. It definitely needs new pair of pistons. Let's see the other one. Well, it seems the connecting rods are not moving on their journals. Wow. Same story with the piston ring. Piston rings are not free to play. Piston rings are like glued to their grooves. And there is some gummy thing still. There is some mixture of dirt, sand and oil. Totally not good. Connecting rod is not playing on the main journal, on the crankshaft, I mean. Only the little end is moving. Wow, have a look. The other connecting rod is totally broken. A broken connecting rod. Out of the three, one is broken. Fractured into pieces. Let's have a look at the inside. What? Totally broken. Well, it seems there is absolute lack of lubrication. And let's see the debris. So the broken pieces of that connecting rod with the big end, and see, that is the oil scoop. Okay, it seems there is a failure of this oil splashing mechanism, so cylinders are not getting lubricated. Besides, the fact is that the compressor is being run without proper air filter have contaminated the lubricating oil, so there is a lot of dust and dirt mixed with the engine oil. It seems also the technicians were not replacing, they were rather topping up oil, so that must have caused all this problem. Lack of lubrication, lack of proper maintenance, lack of preventive maintenance, lack of good machine keeping. See how much the piston is damaged? It's totally gone. So for this machine, for this compressor, we need new pair of pistons and connecting rods with their piston rings. Total damage. See how damaged the piston is? So please beware that preventive maintenance on such machineries is very crucial. Had there been some preventive maintenance done, all this would have been prevented. Had there been some check on the quality of the oil, and had there been frequent oil change, this would have been prevented. So as you can see, the connecting rods are also not rotating on the crankshaft. This clearly tells that there was lack of lubrication. So let's lubricate the big end of the connecting rod and see if it is willing to move on the crankshaft so that we can let it out. Okay, let's force it a little bit. Too much resistance. So let's remove the entire crankshaft by removing the side cover. By that way we can let the connecting rods also taken out, and from there we will see how to remove it. So dear viewers, please note that preventive maintenance saves lots of problems. It prevents them from propagating, it prevents them from going through a breakdown maintenance of this kind. So let's take out that snap ring and remove the connecting rods. Definitely they all need replacement. See, there is no oil splashing mechanism left on the connecting rods. So the cylinders were not getting splash lubrication at all. Some lack of lubrication and contaminated oil. Oil has already taken due to the contamination from dust and dirt. So there is no way that oil will get in between the crankshaft and the connecting rod for lubrication. See, there are some material transfer from the connecting rod to the crankshaft. This is total lubrication failure. So dear viewers, please note that proper maintenance, especially taking care of preventive maintenance and scheduled maintenance, is very crucial in preserving the life of machinery. Thank you for joining us. Please stay tuned for more videos of this kind.